just to brighten the picture up, I think. There, like so. And now let me just so messy, I'm so messy. There, I'm going to pop that up like so. And we're going to use some more colour green. So again, pop that there. We don't want to put glue all the way over this because it's going to be hanging off of here. So we just want to put a little bit on. Because obviously, yeah, sorry about that. You can tell this is going to be one of my, looks a bit. And then we're going to have this on here. So we'll put this on a bit of foam pad, raise this up, and then we're finished. So these are my 3 cards. I will pop them up on Instagram and I will bling them up a little bit more so you can see. I do believe that could do with a bit of bling on, I think. Oh. Taking the whole thing with me, haven't I? There. There. You can see me crafting away. It needs something there, so I'm going to have to do something there. I think that could have done with going down a bit, but never mind. So, what do you think? This is, yeah, I can actually say this is hashtag 100, I think, using my crafty stash number 24, 25 and 26, because I have used my crafty stash. But not only that, I've showed you about toppers and how plain toppers and adding a sentiment and some bling and some pretty paper, at how they can actually come alive. And that's a masculine topper there. So very masculine. So hope you've enjoyed today. I will be putting together a card kit with some toppers in for you to have a play with. That I've got some in my stash. As you know, I love putting stuff together to give out. So yeah, so please leave a comment below if you would like a kit, and obviously you need to be a subscriber to my channel as well, yeah, to get this kit. So let me just put these scissors away, they look dangerous. Yeah, as I say, this is going up while I'm on holiday, so once I get back I will obviously have a look at everybody's comments and everything. So I'll have 2 drawers to, yeah, well, 3 drawers in actual fact to process. Get me. Yeah, so thank you very much for stopping by for my basic, back to basics card making for beginners on a Monday. And yeah, and look forward to our next next Monday. And yeah, what am I going to be doing then? I'm not too sure. I think I might. I'm not going to tell you. It's going to be a surprise. Okay then, bye for now and God bless. Bye.